Newton's law of motion. Newton's first law of motion, also called law of inertia. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion continues moving at constant speed in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. This law basically states that objects resist changes in their state of motion. A stationary object will stay still unless a force pushes or pulls it. A moving object will continue moving in a straight line at the same speed unless a force makes it turn, slow down, or speeds up. Newton's second law of motion. It is also known as law of force, where force equals to mass times acceleration. This law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. This law explains how forces affect the motion of objects. The more force applied to an object, means to pull or to push, the greater the acceleration, means change in speed, it will experience. The mass of the object matters as well. It means that a heavier object will require more force to achieve the same acceleration as a lighter object. The equation of this law, second law of motion, means that force equals to the mass times acceleration. Newton's third law of motion. It is also called law of action and reaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This law states that forces always come in pairs. When one object exerts a force on another object, the second object exerts a force back on the first object that is equal in strength but opposite in direction. For instance, when you push on a wall, the wall pushes you back an equal force. These are the three laws of Newton. Thank you. Let's meet next time.